Yeah. You know how we do. We start off with a little music. I love music. I used to sing in the choir when I was in school and in church. Cousin Jay, appreciate you coming on, man. We're listening to a little music. We know how we do. And so let's cut this music down, cut it off. I like that jam. That's a nice jam. All right. We're gonna get right into this thing. But now this is for entrepreneurs and small business owners. You know, as the title says, sales funnels versus websites. So you sang in the quartet. Cool, man. You are a man of many talents. I love that. Love that. You my man. But like I said, as the title suggests or suggests, whatever, sales funnels versus websites. You know, years ago, I say in the early 90s, if you didn't have a website for your business, you know, you struggle. But now things have changed. Now we're going into 2020, and you need a sales funnel. So who needs a sales funnel? Agencies, freelancers, coaches and consulting, network marketing, affiliate marketing, small business owners. Hey, Kisa, if you are a blogger, if you run a nonprofit, the thing is, you all need customers. And sales funnels work a whole lot better than websites, because the problem with websites is that someone comes and visits your website. They may purchase something, they may not. 9 times out of 10, they'll just come and look around and then they're gone. And if you don't have any way to capture their information, which is their name and their email address, phone number, whatever it is that you need to re-engage them, you know, your website just doesn't do that. So that's what sales funnels can do for you. So what's the difference between a website and a sales funnel? And let me get my notes over here so I can see a little bit better. The main difference between a website and a sales funnel is a sales funnel will guide your visitors step by step through the entire sales process, so they don't get confused or lost and leave, because we all know that a confused buyer doesn't take action. The next thing that a sales funnel can do for you is it will point your customers straight to your product or your service that they need most to help solve their problems. Forgive me for reading, but you know, I have to have a script sometimes. And then the next thing that a sales funnel can do that a website won't do is it'll give you the ability to follow up with those visitors even after they've left your page. Because a sales funnel, first, you know, the way a sales funnel works, and I didn't want to do a screen share or anything because I wanted you to kind of look at me and see me because I'm good looking, but appreciate that, cuz. The first thing you want to do is you want to have a landing page. And we've all seen landing pages before. That's where you put your name, your email address, your phone number, whatever information that you want to collect from that potential visitor. The next thing, when they click on that and give you that information, you want to take them straight to a sales page. What's going on, cousin Angela? How you doing, fam? But here is the magic. Because let's say they were looking for one particular product or one particular service. If you have other products or other services that complement the original product or service, you can upsell them. So let's say they put their name and their email address in, say, hey, I want this, I'm interested. You take them to the sales page. They say, yes, I want that. The next page you can put in that sales funnel is an upsell page. So let's just say, and I like to use health and fitness because I used to be in the fitness business. Let's say you're selling some type of weight loss product. And they just say, yes, I want that pill. I want that service. I want everything. So now you have the ability to upsell them to another product or another service that complements what you've already gotten them to say yes to. And then the final page that you would bring them to is where you're going to deliver their product. So here's the thing. You got to have a landing page, because what does that do for you? That allows you to build your email list, because your email list as a business owner, whether you're an entrepreneur, small business, whether you're an affiliate marketer, network marketer, whatever it is that you're doing, the money is in the list, and that is your number one asset. Because once you capture that information, you no longer have to pay to market to them. You no longer have to pay to show them your services, your products. Again, that gives you the ability to do that for 100% free. Free 99. Who doesn't like free 99? I like free 99. You know, that sales page gives you the ability to, one, build some value and to collect their money. And then the upsell page will increase your revenue. So let's just say my cousin Angela's on here. She sells a lot of jewelry, and she's gotten you to say, yes, I want this piece of jewelry. Let's just say they bought a necklace. Then if you have that upsell page, you can say, hey, well, we've got these earrings that match that necklace. So they can say, okay, yeah, I want that too. And then that final page is where you're going to deliver that product. Now that only works when it's a digital product, but if it's a physical product, you can do the exact same thing, because you can create that sales process where they come in through the front door, they're looking around, they're saying, yes, I want that. Then they go to the sales page, they say, yes, I want that. And then they make that purchase, and immediately you can upsell them. So let's just say your first product was $20, and you can upsell them another product for $35. If they say no to that, now here's the magic. You can do upsells and downsells. Let's say they didn't go for the upsell. Okay, you don't want that? Well, maybe you want to pick this up for $7. So instead of making that original 20, you might make the 20 plus the 35, or you make the 20 plus the 7. So now you've made $27 off of one customer. And that can do a lot of things for you, because first of all, it can defer your advertising costs. You can recover your advertising costs. Now, my cousin Jay, I want to do a plug for him. If you are a volunteer, if you're doing volunteer work, in the next 3 days, he's going to be launching his book that will teach you how to turn your volunteer experience, your skills, everything that you're learning as a volunteer, and turn that into a viable business. So we're going to be showcasing him. So that's Thursday. Was it Thursday? Yeah, Thursday, because today is Mo Money Monday. But I encourage you to keep your eyes peeled. I'm going to be helping him promote that. But he's going to be selling this book. And inside of that, you're going to, if you decide that you want to purchase that book, you're going to see one of the funnels that I built for him. So, okay, let's keep it moving. Okay, now I'm freezing again. I don't know why I'm having problems with my internet, because I'm hardwired into my internet. I'm not doing Wi-Fi or anything like that. But you know, let's go over this one more time. So we're going to recap. What's the difference between a website and a sales funnel? The main difference is a sales funnel can guide your visitors step by step through the entire sales process, so they don't get confused, they don't get lost. Because again, like I said, a confused buyer will never buy. The second thing is it'll point your customers exactly to your product or service that you're trying to promote. And finally, if you do this, set this thing up right, you can follow up with your visitors even after they leave your page. Now, I'm a funnel builder. One of the services that I provide is I will build funnels for you. If you're a small business owner, if you're an entrepreneur, I can certainly build a sales funnel that will help you sell more of your products and services. So if you're interested in in getting a sales funnel made for you, you just go up in the description up there. It's consultwithjl.com/quote-website. You just click on that link. It'll take you to a page where you can get a free quote. What I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a free quote for your business. And then you can decide if you want to use this funnel or not. But again, what I'm going to tell you now, this is an application process. I'm not going to be able to service everybody. We're going to, and when you do this, you put that information in. I'm going to contact you. We're going to talk about your business, talk about your product, whatever it is that you're trying to promote, and see if that's something that I can help you with. And then after we do that, then within 24 to 48 hours, I'm going to contact you and give you a free quote on how much it's going to cost. I'm going to show you the exact funnel that I created for you. If you like what you see, then we'll move forward from there. So that's pretty much all that I have for you today. Again, I encourage you, if you are a small business owner, if you're an entrepreneur, if you're a network marketer, affiliate marketer, no matter what business you're in, remember, every business needs customers. Customers is the lifeblood of your business. And my sincere desire is to help and serve you grow your business, earn more money, and grow so that you can do the things that you want to do. If you know, no matter what your business is, we're all in business to make money, and we want to grow our businesses, and we want to affect change. Because again, I'll tell you, if you're in a business and you're not changing people's lives, if you're not making people's lives better, no matter what it is, whether you're selling jewelry or you're selling a service, if you're a consultant, if you're a coach, if you are an affiliate marketer, a network marketer, if your product or service doesn't solve people's problems, you may want to consider what you're doing. So again, I appreciate everybody that's been on live. Jay, Keisa, Angela, appreciate you all coming on. Again, I've been on for about 12 minutes. Again, if you're interested in getting a free quote for a sales funnel for your website, just go up to the link, hit that. It's consultwithjl.com/quote-website. I'll get back with you as soon as I can. And remember, if you want something you've never had, you have to become someone you've never been. We love you. Peace.